Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a row to your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which is visible on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Now go to File, go to Open, which will take us to the desktop. Go to Work.Numbers. Click on this. Go to Open. And now this should open up on screen. And so the purpose of this tutorial is to add a row. If I now go to, let's just say, a random row. Let's go to 9, click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen, or we can right click and we can either add a row above or add a row below. We'll just add a row below. And now let's click on row number 6, right click, add a row above, go back to now number 7, add a row below. If we want to delete the row, go back to, let's just say, row number 8, delete row. And so that's how you delete the row on the numbers application. Command S to save. We can now quit numbers. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.